YouTube TV has put together a bundle to get you HBO Max, Showtime, and Stars inside of your YouTube TV subscription. I saw them advertising the YouTube TV to you on your homepage. They were looking for money from you, Will. But I don't think you watch a lot of that stuff.
No.
Maybe
I do watch YouTube. But
no.
TV.
I meant the TV portion.
Nope.
Maybe you watch sports here and there. I don't know.
Yeah, here and there.
Okay. Jeez, apologize, man.
I don't want to get the whole bundle for it.
No, I know. It's the cable stuff is out of control. I hear you. Following yesterday's news that HDR and offline downloads are also coming as add-ons to YouTube TV. That's kind of cool.
Okay.
You like offline.
Yeah.
You like HDR.
Sure.
Anyway, there's a new Entertainment Plus bundle today, which will give you access to those 3 mentioned cable networks that I mentioned previously. I think the coolest one, at least, I don't know, for me, is HBO Max. You know, they're doing the same day and date releases and things, so I can see that as being compelling. So you save about $5 if you get them all together for $29.99. Otherwise, you'd be paying $15, $11, and $9. They've also got a bundle for sports. It's called Sports Plus, which gives you NFL Red Zone, Fox College Sports, Gold TV, Fox Soccer Plus, Mav TV Motorsports, Network TV, G, and Stadium for $10.99 a month. They're coming for your TV dollars. They don't want to just publish and broadcast shows like this one, Will.
No.
They want that premium content.
Yeah.
Not this trash.
Well, I wouldn't say that.